Modulasetulo wa ANC Profenseng ya Limpopo Stan Mathabatha o butse seboka sa bo-leshome sa kgetha boetapele bo botjha ba profense. Mathabatha ya shebileng go kgethwa lekgetlo la boraro o phephetswa ke Dickson Masemola.
The task of renewing and uniting the ANC can no longer be postponed. It is our generational mission. We dare not fail. We need a renewed and united ANC to regain credibility and trust amongst the people of South Africa.
The key ingredients of an ANC conference include engagements on the strategies and tactics necessary for the prosecution of our ongoing national democratic revolution. A conference of the ANC is about an engagement of the national and international balance of forces. This conference will not fail to engage itself on this historic mandate of the African National Congress conferences.